Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a rose instant pudding tea. This is very cool and chill. For this I'm not using any agar-agar, corn flour, gelatin or sugar. I'm just using 1 cup of whipping cream. This is very chilled whipping cream and I'm beating this with a whisker only. It takes 10 to 15 minutes by using this whisker. You can also use beater or mixer grinder to beat this cream, but I'm just using a whisker to make this pudding. This is no fire recipe. I'm not using any type of gelatin, any type of agar-agar, no egg, no sugar. Just with 2 ingredients I'm going to make this pudding today. Until thicken, you have to beat this cream with whisker. It takes 10 to 15 minutes, so have patience, or you can use beater or any other kind of thing to beat this cream. For making this you can also use Amul cream, but when you are using Amul cream you have to use 1/4 cup of powdered sugar also. See, it's almost thickened now. Now I'm using here 2 drops of rose essence just for flavor. You can use also kevda essence. Because I'm making a rose pudding, that's why I'm using here rose essence. And then I'm adding here 3 tablespoons of roux afza. It's very yummy and very delicious flavor. Mostly in our house we can find roux afza. You have to use this. If you have no roux afza, then you can use rose syrup also, or you can make a paste of rose petals also. Just beat till this stiffness and then we can decorate our pudding. Now I am using 4 cups for making this pudding because we are going to make a pudding tea. You can also use a baking pan in round shape or in square shape for making this also. Hey friends, please subscribe my channel for more upcoming recipes and press the bell icon for notifications. Now see, I'm already filling the batter in all cups and you have to tap it to remove the air bubbles only. Then we have to decorate or garnish the cups as we can. Now we have to decorate or garnish our pudding. I'm using some dried rose petals. It's homemade. Then I'm using some rose syrup in liquid form. It gives a very yummy-licious look to your pudding. See, it's looking very chill and very cool now. After this, I'm adding some white choco chips for more yummy-licious looks. Now you have to keep this in fridge for at least 10 minutes to be chilled. And then serve this chilled instant rose pudding tea to your friends, family in any other festivals or in any other function. You can also make this pudding with different flavors also. And see the stiffness of our pudding tea. It's very cool, yummy and looking super delicious. So friends, just make this pudding tea with 2 ingredients: no fire cooking, no gelatin, no agar-agar and no corn flour. Friends, please follow me on Instagram, Facebook page and YouTube channel too. Watch my other videos. Again, I'm coming with new video. Till then, bye bye.